Hot 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 China's buzzwords 中国热词。
大家好，我是司徒建国。I'm in Zhuhai, Guangdong province, and I'm here for Airshow China 2018 中国航展。So, 中国航展 first took place back in 1996, and now it takes place every other year, and this is the 12th 中国航展. Now, Airshow China is the only international aerospace trade show in China with aerial displays and field demonstrations. And whilst I may have got a little bit carried away when I first arrived, I've calmed down a bit now. Look at that! I've discovered that if you stand next to an aircraft like this, you always look good, right? So what started off back in 1996 as a display of aircraft has evolved into a showcase of China's most advanced military equipment for air, space, sea, ground and electronics. That is a CY-10 laser explosive ordnance disposal vehicle. I'm an expert. Yeah. So this is the perfect event for military buffs and military experts like me who love getting hands-on with machines like this, or for people who love a good aerial display. I'm thinking of buying one of these. I probably can't afford it. Fit about 10 people in that. So this is the trade exhibit for the CR-929, a joint project between China and Russia. And there's the model for the C-919, China's very own passenger jet. I've flown that. I've sat in the cockpit. Yeah. So this is probably the only time I'm ever going to sit in business class on the CR-929. So I better make the most of it. So this is the Airshow, the J-20, China's most advanced stealth fighter jet of the PLA Air Force, capable of being invisible. It's only a model, but the real one's outside. I'm going to go watch it fly. So this morning, the crowd are being treated to an aerobatics display from the Zhuhai aerobatics team. The noise is deafening. Not right now. When they come back, it'll be deafening. Just wait a bit. Hold on a bit more. Here we go. There you go. Deafening. Oh. Missed it. Look at this. Woo. Wow, wait. The noise is deafening. In the UK, we have the Red Arrows aerobatics team. China not only has the Zhuhai aerobatics team, they also have the Red Falcons. And there they are. Pretty good. Now, one of the main reasons why people are excited about this year's Hangzhou is the J-20 stealth fighter jet of the PLA, China's 4th generation stealth fighter jet. It's not here yet, but it's imminent. So everyone's starting to get a little bit, excited. At the 2016 Airshow China, it's estimated that around $40 billion worth of deals were struck. This year's 中国航展 has 770 exhibitors from 43 countries and regions, and as always, 中国航展 provides a platform for trade talks and technological exchanges.
你干嘛来了？
I've come here to share my expertise.
你专业什么？
Model, stand next to the planes. What are you laughing at?
太好笑了。
It's not a joke.